This is Ian from Lean Media. I get a lot of questions about closing or deleting an FBA listing, and this is how to do it. So on the Manage FBA Inventory page, you'll see something that says out of stock for a particular listing, and you want to close it or delete it. You can't do it from this page. If you use the drop-down arrow, you can see there's Edit Listing, and there's some other options there, but close and delete is not there. What you need to do is you need to go to the Manage All Inventory page. It looks like this. I think you get to it by the hamburger menu. You go to Inventory and then Manage All Inventory. You'll come to this page, and then I recommend using the filters to find the items that you want. So in this particular case, if I want to close or delete this item, make sure, first of all, it's the right product. You can see I actually have two identical ASINs here, and the issue is that this is the FBM and this is the FBA. So make sure if you're closing or deleting something, you close and delete the right one. In this case, it is this one. It's the FBA one. What I'm going to do, go to this More Actions icon over here, click on that, and then select Close or Delete Listings. That's all there is to it. Hope this helped. See you next time.